Long rides should feel effortless, not cramped or awkward, and the Kuryakyn 1071 extended brake pedal is designed to make a noticeable difference in comfort and braking confidence on floorboard-equipped Harley Davidson models. This upgrade repositions the brake pedal to create more legroom while improving pedal angle, delivering a smoother and more natural braking experience every time you ride. By extending and flattening the brake pedal position, this design keeps your foot from sitting under the pedal, which makes braking easier, quicker, and more intuitive. The exact amount of extension varies by application, but the overall benefit is consistent across compatible models. Riders immediately notice improved ergonomics, especially on long highway rides or in stop-and-go traffic where foot placement matters most. Crafted with both performance and appearance in mind, the pedal assembly is beautifully polished and chrome-plated to complement the premium look of Harley touring bikes. A bronze bushing with an integrated grease fitting ensures smooth operation and long service life, even with frequent use. This attention to detail not only enhances durability but also maintains a precise, solid feel at the pedal. The kit includes the girder brake arm assembly along with the necessary hardware for installation. While basic hand tools and grease are suggested for the install, the upgrade itself is straightforward for most riders and delivers immediate results once fitted. It is compatible with 2008 to 2013 Electra Glide, Road Glide, Road King, and Street Glide models, as well as 2009 to 2013 Harley Davidson trikes. For taller riders in particular, this modification is often considered both a comfort and safety upgrade. Improved pedal access reduces strain and increases confidence, making every ride more enjoyable. If you want better legroom, easier braking, and a refined chrome finish that matches your bike, click the link in the video description to check current availability. Subscribe to the channel to explore more smart upgrades that elevate your riding experience mile after mile.